Bonjour class! So as requested, here is a quick video about telling time. So if you find that it's going kind of quickly, again, I gotta go pay my rent. So pause it, process, keep going. So our question, quelle heure est-il? So répétez, quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? To answer, pretty easy. Let me move this screen here so that you can see. Okay, so répétez, quelle heure est-il? Il est 1 heure. Il est 2 heures. So with time, because that H, you're going to have lots of sounds carrying over, which means it's that much more important to know your numbers. Il est 2 heures. Okay, so our little formula for telling time, just il est heure. So, sorry this is cut off, but I can't change my screen really. There we go. So, il est, quelle heure est-il? Il est, you tell me, but loud enough so I can hear you. Il est 1 heure. Remember that weird thing about even though it's il est, this has nothing to do with masculine and feminine, but this heure is feminine. Il est 1 heure. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 2 heures. Quelle heure est-il? What was that? 3 heures. Again, we got this carrying over. 3 heures. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 4 heures. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 5 heures. Again, this S is silent, so it's there, but you don't hear it. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 6 heures. Come on, that's a fun one. 6 heures, comme la salade. Ok, quelle heure est-il? Il est 7 heures. Quelle heure est-il? Getting old yet? Quelle heure est-il? Il est 8 heures. Okay, remember those funky times. Il est midi. Il est minuit. Okay, so remember that 24-hour clock. So it's kind of weird for us, but they will say il est 13 heures. Il est 14 heures. Il est 15 heures. So I'm just going to zip on through here in case you don't know any of these numbers. Il est 24 heures. Again, for us, that would look really weird to see. Okay, but everything official in France is used with 24-hour clock. So I think most people were fine with that, right? Il est 13 heures. We're not going to do all those. Take a moment. I know, it's weird. Talk to yourself. Quelle heure est-il? Actually say them out loud. How about this first one? Say it out loud to yourself. Il est 8h20. Okay, how about that second one? Il est 15 heures. Again, that's going to carry over. Il est 15h10. And then our last one. Il est 9h05. So all of these are pretty basic. You got the number? Bam. You're good. Okay, for the minutes. Again, I think most of you are good. We had those just special expressions. So, il est 2h30. Okay, so il est 14h30. Il est quelle heure est-il? Il est 22h30. Il est 5h30 et il est 3h30. Okay, got that quarter past. Écart. So répétez, écart. Il est 2h15. Again, pause, talk to yourself. These, I think you're pretty good. Il est 2h05. Il est 2h10. Il est 2h20. Those are kind of self-explanatory. But then, well, not but then. Go ahead, take a moment. Talk to yourself. What? Now actually talk to yourself. Go ahead, out loud. Il est 9h05. Il est... Quelle heure est-il? Il est 9h10. Ooh, catch yourself, catch yourself. Remember, it's that funky one. Il est 9h15. Quelle heure est-il? Okay, funky one. Quelle heure est-il? Sorry, I just say quelle heure est-il? Okay, remember that weird one. 9h30. Literally and half. Okay. This is where things got interesting. To say 5 o'clock minus a quarter. Remember we had to do that sort of subtraction. So il est 5h moins le quart. So 5h moins le quart has nothing to do with 5 o'clock. It's actually 4:45. Okay, so if it's quarter to 11, we're going to say 11 minus the quarter, which isn't 11 at all. It's 10:45. So 11 minus a quarter. Il est 11h moins le quart. And again, that's not 11:15 or 11:45. That's 10:45. Again, because we take 11, we subtract 15 minutes from it. So, quelle heure est-il? And my apologies if that red arrow does not look like it's on the 45, but let's go ahead and pretend that it is. So, quelle heure est-il? Remember, we've got to do subtraction. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm not going to remake this 7-minute video. I couldn't tell the minutes in the so this is our 10 minus 25. My apologies. Wow. Okay. Il est 10h moins 25. Those look very similar size to me. Okay, je suis désolé. Il est 10h moins 25. Now I know. Okay, how about quelle heure est-il? Okay, so it's 20 till 10. Il est 10h moins 20. Again, it has nothing really to do with 10. It's 9:40. Quelle heure est-il? So again, 10 o'clock minus 15 minutes, 9:45. Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? So 10 o'clock minus 5 minutes. Again, so like 9:55. Il est. Okay. Pause and give these 3 a try. Okay. Il est. Go ahead, loud enough. Il est 9h moins 20. Again, if you're confused here, 9 o'clock minus 20 equals 8:40. Il est, okay. I think 4 minus the quarter. Il est 4 moins le quart. And our last one, hopefully you paused and did it already. Il est 10h moins 25. Again, 10 o'clock minus 25 minutes. A little different for us. Okay, quelle heure est-il? You say it first, then I'll tell you. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 7h. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 3h30. Quelle heure est-il? Oh, we got one of those funky ones. Woo! Gave you extra think time. Il est 4h moins le quart. Another. I'm adding funkiness and 24-hour clock. You're welcome. It's because I love you. Il est 14h moins 10. Okay, we're going to leave it there. I appreciate people going a little bit further than they have to make sure they understand. So, on the top of your homework that's due after your name, I'm trying to think of a good signal for me to give you some extra credit, or at least a sticker. Just write the super cryptic code, I watched the video. I know, not too original today. I watched the video after your name on the homework. Merci, and hopefully this was helpful. À demain. Ah!